started this business, I had much more than a car shop in mind. We're trying to create a new culture for the Orlando car community, and this is exactly what I'm trying to do. Auto lifestyle and bringing people together, networking and having good times, all related to cars. He's the Dream Cars for Kids, Auto Lifestyle, and I want to introduce him in the video, show you guys the other half of what we do. He's the brains.
Hey guys, I'm Ankush with Auto Lifestyle. We throw the hottest supercar events here in Central Florida, and it's all for a great cause. We bring together supercar owners to network, bring the community together, and have a great time while giving back to the kids at St. Jude tonight. So thank you all for coming out and join the auto life.
We try to get as much footage of before and after projects as we can. This is one example, Ford F350 Tremor Edition. We did a ready lift leveling kit on it, as well as some full front PBF and ceramic coating. This is getting ready to go home, and I'll keep you updated on some of the stuff on the inside.
What's up, everybody? Give you a quick update on what we got going on in the white room. Cayenne, off-white, orange. Coming down this way, we have the next project that's about to leave the room. This is kind of gonna escalate. We did a cyan PPF on the front, black PPF on the back. A little more things to get touched up and done to this car. New wheels, calipers, things like that, which you'll see later. Beautiful, brand new M4. You gotta look at the interior here, guys. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful orange with a carbon fiber trim. Amazing. So this is gonna go full Lumar Valor clear PPF on it.
All right, guys, so you get to catch this great moment we have here. We have a vehicle that's coming in from one of our clients out in West Palm. He decided he wanted to finally get rid of this vehicle. Though it's not the most desirable Ferrari of all times, it is a Ferrari, it is a classic, and this is gonna be a car that somebody wants. This is a vehicle that's going up for sale on our website. Check it out. I'm really excited to share everything that we got going on. So our YouTube is gonna have cars that we do, behind the scenes of the shop, the operations, and just what makes Wolf's Den Wolf's Den. Like we do our YouTube. Alright, ready? See, what's the angle you're
Feel yourself, bro. Feel yourself clean.
Open the doors, be like, This is a Porsche. This is what we did. Don't do that. None of that. Like, you know what I'm saying? You do shit. You know what I mean?
That's how I do it, bro.
No, you don't need none of that, bro. None of that.
See, that's part of how I
just
am,
delete
bro.
that. Just cut that.
Do your big safe face. Do your big safe face.
What the fuck? It's gotta be fucking masculine, brother. Fuck, brother. I will see you in a few minutes.